Hello everybody out there. I just wanted to shoot a short video on how you can get the most out of your Fix-A-Flat can. Now the advice is you get the right one. This is for a bigger tire. If you have a smaller tire, you want to get the right size can. And you want to move the position of your inflation valve to where the can's at, and be careful, move it backwards so that or forward to where, real slowly, so where it won't break the seal of the tire. You break the seal of the tire, it's done. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to share it, think it'll help somebody, please share it. Subscribe to my channel. If you would like, be doing more contents of all kinds of different stuff. So anyway, I'm going to make this video forever long. To do this, you get your jack under there and get it where it's, you're going to jack the tire up. And let me get the can, wait, so you can see the tire actually start. And every bit you raise it to pull out it off the ground, the more the can will inflate the tire, and you're not like rolling off with just a half a tire, just barely enough to make it to the goddamn air pump. And I just keep jacking her up, and you see, look at that. See, the tire don't even look as flat anymore. And there are a few more pumps. Oh, look at that. Pull a little of that out. Well, I hear a little pull off on it. And that should be good when you hear a little pull off on off the ground. Should be plenty. And it's up to you. I went and got the cheap brand for the same thing. And then you inflate the tire and drop the jack, and you'll be good. You get your most out of it because you're not, of course, if you're not putting pushing air to take the pressure, lifting the whole vehicle this way. So anyway, if you like it, subscribe if you want to, and this should be the video. Once you inflate it, like I said, use the instructions on the can. You'll be good to go. Love you all, and hope this video helps out, and take care.